Friends, welcome back to the library. I know it has been so long since you have seen a video of our new books, but we have so much to share with you. So today, we're focusing on nonfiction books that we've just gotten into the library, and I can't wait for you to check them out. The first book on our list, and fourth graders, I'm specifically talking to you. This book is called The National Park Scavenger Hunt, a family-friendly way to explore all 63 parks. Now, some of you have been doing some research on national parks. When you're in fourth grade, that is the year that you can get a free pass to national parks. We used that for my daughter when she was in fourth grade. It's super easy to do. Go to the website. Maybe your teacher can help you facilitate it. Miss Letourneau says she's even going to help you. So you will get a free pass as a fourth grader. And this is a really cool book that showcases the national parks and different things that you can find in them. So it's really cool. Check this one out. It looks really, really fun. We've got a great new nonfiction book all about flag football if you want to learn some rules. And what's that, Miss Letourneau?
It was a request by somebody.
Oh, we had this, flag football books were requested. So Miss Letourneau is amazing. You tell her what she wants. She tries to make it happen. As long as it's approved by Hanover County, it's all good. We've got this other really cool book. Miss Letourneau is doing a little bit of learning about biographies. And it's she makes up different words for all the months here in the library. And Miss Letourneau, what's February?
Febbiography.
It's Febbiography here in the library this month, and we thought you would love to check out this new book. It's called Mary Who Wrote Frankenstein. It's all about the author who came up with the idea of Frankenstein, wrote the book. It's really cool. She was actually a teenager when she wrote it. It's really, really a fascinating story. So this is a really neat one to check out. Now, we have to focus on Weird But True. I know you guys love all the Guinness World Record books. You love the giant Weird But True books, all these nonfiction books. So we went ahead and invested some of our library money in hardcover, sturdy Weird But True books. This is one about Greek mythology. I don't know what you're saying when you do that. Oh, third graders, when you're learning about ancient Greece, this would be really, really fun to learn about, to help you learn about Greece. Also, third grade, Ancient Egypt, Weird But True Facts. This will be fun to read. We've got another one, Rocks and Minerals, fifth grade. Dinosaurs, that's every grade. Weird But True Sports looks really fun. We've got Weird But True Animals. That one would probably be my favorite. Weird But True, oh no, this one would be my favorite. Weird But True Gross, 300 slimy, sticky, and smelly facts. That looks really fun to read. Weird But True Ocean would be awesome. This is cool, Weird But True Facts about U.S. presidents. That would be fun to read too. And this is like the core one of the Weird But True. Well, I guess it's not Weird But True. It is Weird But True World 2024 Facts, Photos about Weird Wonders for the Year and Beyond. I mean, look, it's going to be so much fun to read. I think this would be fun to read with your friends and show them the fun pictures in here. If you just all the photographs, you guys know the National Geographic books are just famous for their amazing photography. So I hope you're excited about these. We'll have these out to you soon. I can't wait for you to check them out. And we'll see you next time. I don't know what you just said, Miss Letourneau.
Like and subscribe.
Oh, boys and girls, I can't believe I keep forgetting that. What is wrong with me? Like our video, subscribe. We'll see you back here for another new book video soon.